Hello and welcome back to the new class. And this question is based on XAT 2019 PYQ. So without wasting any time, let's just start with this particular question. And this type of question you can try to solve in 2.5 minutes. And your time starts now. Hello Shivam, good to see you on time. Yeah, try this question. We have 2 minutes for this question. Come on. So there are 5 employees in a company. The in 2 successive years, each got hikes in the salary, and it is the hike percentage given to you in the first and second year respectively. You have to find out who got the least hike in the salary. So either you can think of any value of p. Okay. Okay, so let's just start this question. So if I assume you can assume anything. Okay, it is not like it is independent of the value of p. So if I assume p equals to 10, if I assume p equals to 10, then a, according to a, this is p percentage, which is 10%, and the second year is p plus 1, which is 11%. So this will be effective of how much? Like it is a successive. So in successive, what will you do? You add the percentage and then you multiply the percentage and divide it by 100. You will say it is 21 plus 1.1. According to B, the percentage is p plus 2, which is 12%, and p minus 1, which is 9%. So successive, it is 12 plus 9 plus 12 multiplied by 9 by 100. It is 21 plus 1.08. So I can see all of them with the same pattern. C will be having 13 and 8. So it is 21 plus 13 into 8 is 104. It is 1.04. D will be having 14 and 7. It is 21 plus 0.91. And E will be having 15 and 6. That's 21 plus 0.90. So I can say 21 is constant. This is the factor which is changing the overall percentage. So who got the least hike means who will get the minimum percentage. So this person is getting minimum percentage change. So E is the answer for this question. The option number A is the answer and the person name is E. Okay. Be alert while marking your answer. The answer is E, but E is at the first option. So A is the answer for this question. I hope this is clear, right? Moving to the next question, try this one out. is the correct answer. Try this one now. I'm just coming. You try this question. Okay, try this question first, and then we'll do both of the questions simultaneously. Yep. Answer for this question. A gold ingot in the shape of cylinder is melted and resulting molten metal molded into a few identical conical ingots. If the height of each conical is half of the height of original cylinder. So we know that whenever you have to melt, the volume must be same. So volume of the cylinder must be equal to the volume of the cone. Correct? Now we know the, let's suppose volume of cylinder is pi r square h, where r is the radius and h is the height. Now I know one thing here, that the height of cone is half. So I don't know about the radius. I know that height is getting half. So this is like this right now. Now there is a relation between the radius, which is like area of the circular base is 1/5 of the area of the circular base of cylinder. So what is the area of the cone? If I say this is a cone and what is circular base, this one. So let's suppose the radius is r, and for the cylinder, the area of the base, the radius is r. So area of the cone, which is pi r square, and area of circle here pi r square, and cone is 1/5. Cone is 1/5 of this part. So I can say here that I got r square equal to 5 into small r square. So this is a relation between the two radiuses. Now tell me one thing, that when you have to plug the value of radius, the radius must be like r square here, correct? And that r square I can write in the terms of small r square like this. So now I can balance it. It is how many how many quantities of cone are there. So when I find it out, it is, and sorry, volume of cone is 1/3 of pi r square. Volume of cone is 1/3. So 5 into 2 and 10 into 3, 30. So 30 are the cones possible from this cylinder. Okay. First of all, we have a relation between the heights, and then we get a relation between the radius, and then plug it. Is it clear? Now the previous question. In the previous question, we have to make this expression below is consistent, a whole number, if this is a whole number. So either you can plug the options to get the result, and best way is to plug the value. Of course, this a must be, this is this expression. And there is 1/3. Now, you know that there is 7 raised to the power a, and this can be factorized like 5. 35 is made up of 7 and 5. That's our 35. And 20 is made up of 5 and 4. So that's 5 and 4. I can write the 4 like this. So total it is 7 raised to the power how much? It is a plus b plus 1. 5 raised to the power is how much? B plus 1 plus c plus 2. And 2 raised to the power is how much? 2c plus 4. So this is the factorization of each and every number. Now, each and every number must give a result because it's a whole number. So c value would be how much? This factor must be divisible by 3. So c must be equal to 2. Sorry, c must be equal to 1. If c is equal to 1 in this particular case, then this will become 6. 6 divided by 3 is possible. Similarly, I will do the same in this power of 5. So we have b plus c plus 3. This is the value. And this number must be divisible by 3. This power is 3. Cube root of 3 basically. And we already found the value of c. So what is the value of b? B must be 2. If c is equal to 1 and b equals to 2, then this complete thing is divisible by 3. And same I'll do the for this case, it is a plus b plus 1 must be divisible by 3. We know the value of b, that is 2. C is, this is 1. So a must be what? 3. Then this is divisible. So a equals to 3, b equal to 2, and c equal to 1. So E is the answer. All right. Moving to the next question. If you have any doubt, let me know. Try this question. Okay, so let's start this one. CV a circle of radius root 20. So there is a circle of root 20. This is a circle with the center C. Let L1, L2 be the C is a circle basically. So let's suppose it is a center. Okay, yeah. The center is A comma B. It is given in the question. Coordinates are given. Let L1 be a line passing through the center of C. So L1 is this line passing through this. So that's this line is L1. The equation of L1 is given to us. L2 is a tangent to C at the point of intersection of L1 and L2. So L2 is a tangent at this point. So that's L2. The equation of L2 is given. Which of the following is a possible value of A plus B? Yeah, Shivam. So first of all, we have an equation of L1 means this line is L1, this is L1, and this point is A comma B. It will satisfy this equation. Means X coordinate is A and Y coordinate is B in this particular equation. So that's my first relation between A and B. If a point is lying on the line, it means it satisfies that particular equation, right? Now I have an equation of L2. And I know one thing here that the radius is root 20. Now, how can I find the distance? Isn't it like the distance between the point and the tangent? Or a distance between a line and a perpendicular distance between a point and a line? This concept. So to find this distance, we know the equation of L2, which is this one. You have to find the distance of the point from the line. So what will you do here? The distance, which is root 20, which is the radius, is equal to, you have to plug the value of x equal to a, y equal to b minus 18 divided by square root of coefficient of x and coefficient of y. Do you remember the distance between a point and a line? Yes, let me know this thing. It is 5, it is 10. So that's our relation. A plus 2b equals to 28. So these two equations that we got. So solving these two equations, I can substitute, I can double this one, whatever. And this equation is a plus 2b equal to 28. So 5a equals to 30, a equal to 6. A equal to 6, b equals to 12 minus 1, 11. So a plus b is how much? 17. So that's our answer for this question. Yes. You understand or not? Let me know, please, kindly. This is a concept of distance between a point and a line. And that distance is a perpendicular distance. In this question, it was the radius. Kindly comment if it is clear or not, so that I can move ahead. Moving to the next question. Try this one. Okay, try this log question. I'm giving you just, I think 2 minutes are sufficient. लॉग नहीं आता, अच्छा। ओके चलो, थोड़े प्रॉपर्टीज की जरूरत है बस यहाँ पे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू कैन सी देर इज अ स्क्वायर रूट and there is no square root on the top. So basically I have to find 97 minus 56 रूट 3 को मैं कैसी, जैसे हम लिखते थे ना इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालते थे, वो तो याद होगा कॉन्सेप्ट। सो हाउ कैन आई अप्रोच दिस वन, लेट्स से इट वाज a माइनस बी, करेक्ट। मैं इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। सो व्हेन आई डू द स्क्वायर ऑन बोथ साइड्स, a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab, तो a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर आता है यहाँ से 97 और a भी आता है मेरे पास 28 रूट 3। सो व्हेन आई do a hit and try approach, a7 and b equal to 4 root 3 will satisfy both of the equations. इसको आप चेक कर लो, ये बनेगा 49 प्लस 48। तो ये दोनों वैल्यूज इसके हिट एंड ट्राई अप्रोच से मैंने निकाल लिए। ओके, तो यहाँ से क्लियर होगा कि a माइनस बी कितना था, a माइनस बी आता है 7 माइनस 4 रूट 3। नाउ वी आर गिवन दिस इक्वेशन, तो इसको मैं लिख सकता हूँ इट इज व्हाट 4 माइनस, सॉरी 7 माइनस 4 रूट 3 का होल स्क्वायर, एंड दिस वाज 7 प्लस 4 रूट 3 का स्क्वायर रूट। सो लॉग की प्रॉपर्टी ये तो बेसिक है कि हम पावर्स को बाहर ले लेते हैं, यहाँ से पावर हाफ बाहर आ जाएगी एंड दिस विल बी द रिमेनिंग पार्ट, which is 4. Now I have to make an option in terms of minus 4. So if I do minus 4, I can say this minus 4 can be, this is my 4, okay, first of all, that's my 4. I haven't changed anything right now. But I can take this minus 4, this minus 1 as the power of this bracket. So if I do this thing, it would be log of 1 divided by 7 minus 4 root 3 whole divided by log of 7 plus 4 root 3. When you rationalize the numerator part, it will give you the same thing as denominator. So that's why the answer is minus 4. Okay. Okay, try this geometry question based on trapezium. नन कैसे हो जाएगा? हमारा आंसर -4 आ तो गया था। हाँ, हमारा 4 आया था, सो इसी को फिर -4 बनाने का तरीका था वो, ऑप्शन के हिसाब से। Okay, draw the perpendiculars, draw the heights of this trapezium. So let's start this one. So when you draw a perpendicular, this is the trapezium. So when you draw the two perpendiculars, that's given to us. अब हमें क्या निकालना है? साइन ऑफ एंगल BAC. तो लेट्स से इट इज E and F. अब BAC वाला एंगल ये हो गया, दिस इज अवर BAC. अब इस पर जब मैं साइन लगाऊंगा, साइन ऑफ एंगल लेट्स सपोज इट इज x डिग्री, तो साइन x की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? आई विल टेक दिस CF, है ना, CF अपॉन AC, ये हो जाएगा साइन x. अब मुझे दूसरा एंगल है साइन ऑफ एंगल BAD, तो BAD हो जाएगा मेरे लिए बड़ा वाला एंगल. तो बड़ा वाला एंगल कितना हो गया मेरे लिए? y मान लेते हैं. तो साइन y कितना हो गया? अब साइन y जब मैं निकालूंगा तो मैं इसी ट्रायंगल से निकालूंगा ना, दिस ट्रायंगल, इसी में तो साइन y निकलेगा, इन दिस छोटू ट्रायंगल. कितना हो जाएगा वो? DE अपॉन AD. और DE और CF और DE तो दोनों हाइट हैं, वो तो बराबर होंगे दोनों. तो इन दोनों को जब आप डिवाइड करोगे, so when you divide these two things, what will you get? You will only get sin x upon sin y करना है आपको. So when you divide these two cases, it is AD over AC. सी एफ और डी ई तो कट जाएगा क्योंकि बराबर है, सो दैट्स आवर आंसर, डी ऑप्शन। ठीक है, ठीक है। और अभी तो अभी चार, ये चार क्वेश्चंस और बाकी क्वेश्चंस रात में करें 10 बजे, व्हाट डू यू से? चार क्वेश्चन अभी बचे हैं और थोड़े से और क्वेश्चन ले आएंगे तो वो एक पूरी क्लास हो जाएगी हमारी 10 बजे भी, तो ये 2019 का PYQ खत्म हो जाएगा। और यू कैन ट्राई दीज 4 क्वेश्चंस एंड देन we'll do more questions at 10 p.m. Okay, क्योंकि चार क्वेश्चन ही रहे हैं, फिर मैं और क्वेश्चन थोड़े से ऐड करके फिर वो क्लास भी कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं। तो ठीक है, 10 बजे मिलते हैं। ठीक है ना, इतने तुम ये वाले चार क्वेश्चन कर लो और आंसर बता दो चाहो तो मैसेज कर देना। ठीक है, सी यू देन। ओके, बाय।